Someone's calling you. Answer your phone. Unless you don't like them, and then you can just pretend that you didn't hear me. Which I would never do to anyone because that would be mean. Unless they smell.
Whoa! You're popular. Someone's calling you. Pick up your phone.
You gotta help me. I'm stuck inside your phone. Answer it to set me free. Hurry!
Answer your phone. You're annoying everybody now. Answer your phone. Pick up the pick it up. Pick it up now. Get it.
And this is the most annoying ringtone ever.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Whoa! Ring it!
What's happening?
Answer!